Ever wondered how you can have big RV experiences at a fraction of the cost? Let's talk about off-season RV travel, a hidden gem in the world of RVing that offers an abundance of joys and advantages. Picture this: vast landscapes laid out before you, with no crowds to obstruct your view, serene quietness that allows you to truly connect with nature, and the freedom to explore at your own pace. This is the beauty of off-season RV travel. It's the time when popular destinations shed their peak season hustle and bustle, revealing a more tranquil, authentic side just waiting to be discovered. Off-season RV travel is not only about enjoying the serenity, it's also about cost savings. When the crowds dwindle, so do the prices. Campsite fees, fuel costs, and even local attractions often offer off-peak discounts, making your RV adventure more budget-friendly. Imagine the thrill of exploring your favorite destinations and experiencing the same grandeur, but at a fraction of the cost. Now that's smart traveling. But the benefits don't stop there. Off-season RV travel provides opportunities for unique experiences that aren't available during peak seasons. Picture strolling along empty beaches, hiking on secluded trails, or having an entire campground to yourself. It's like having a VIP pass to the world's greatest attractions. Moreover, off-season travel gives you the chance to engage more deeply with local communities. Without the throngs of tourists, you can enjoy a more authentic cultural experience, visit local markets, dine at small-town eateries, and interact with the locals. These are the moments that create lasting memories and stories to share. So, if you're looking for an RV adventure that combines tranquility, cost-effectiveness, and unique experiences, off-season travel might just be your ticket. It's a time to embrace the road, less traveled, to discover hidden gems, and to create unforgettable memories. Stay tuned as we delve into how you can maximize your off-season RV adventures. So why should you consider off-season RV travel? Well, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk savings. Off-season travel can significantly lighten the load on your wallet. With fewer people hitting the road, many campgrounds and attractions offer discounted rates to attract visitors. This means you can enjoy the same fantastic locations at a fraction of the peak season cost. Now that sounds like a win-win situation, doesn't it? Next, consider the crowd, or rather, the lack thereof. Imagine having the freedom to explore popular destinations without having to navigate through throngs of tourists. You can take in the sights at your own pace without feeling rushed or crowded. And who doesn't relish the idea of having a picturesque vista all to themselves? Then, there's the matter of campsite availability. During peak travel times, securing a spot at your favorite campground can feel like winning the lottery. But in the off-season, it's a different story. You'll likely have your pick of prime locations, making it easier to snag that coveted spot by the lake or under the towering pines. And let's not forget about the opportunities for solitude and relaxation. Off-season RV travel gives you the chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle and connect with nature. Picture this: you're sitting by a crackling fire under a blanket of stars with nothing but the sounds of the great outdoors to keep you company. Sounds pretty idyllic, doesn't it? But it's not just about the serenity. Off-season also offers unique experiences that aren't available at other times of the year. Maybe it's the chance to see wildlife in a different light, or the opportunity to experience seasonal events and festivals that add a special touch to your trip. So, to sum it all up, off-season RV travel offers lower costs, less crowded destinations, better campsite availability, and more opportunities for solitude and relaxation. It's about making memories, having adventures, and enjoying the journey, not just the destination. As we can see, off-season RV travel offers a wealth of advantages. So, ready to hit the road? It's not all sunshine and rainbows, though. Let's talk about the challenges of off-season RV travel. Venturing into the great outdoors during the off-season can certainly be an adventure, but it's not without its obstacles. One of the foremost challenges is the unpredictability of the weather. One minute, the sun is shining and the birds are singing. The next, you're huddled in your RV, listening to the patter of rain on the roof. This unpredictability can be a bit daunting, especially for those new to the off-season travel scene. The key is to stay flexible and always pack for all possible weather scenarios. And remember, there's no such thing as bad weather, only unsuitable clothing. Another hurdle you might face is off-season closures. Many campgrounds and attractions operate on a seasonal basis, meaning they might be closed during the off-season. It's a bit of a bummer when you've driven miles to visit a particular spot, only to find it closed. To avoid this, it's crucial to do your homework. Check the operating hours and seasons of your planned destinations ahead of time. There are plenty of resources online to assist you in this endeavor. Lastly, off-season RV travel requires a bit more planning and preparation. It's not just about packing your swimsuit and hitting the road. You'll need to think about things like winterizing your RV, not for storage, but to plan for things like frozen water tanks. Tank heaters are great. Insulating your tent ends if you have a hybrid RV or pop-up camper, packing the right gear, and ensuring you have access to necessary amenities. It might seem like a lot, but with a little foresight and organization, you can easily overcome this challenge. Facing these challenges head-on can make off-season RV travel an exciting and rewarding experience. Yes, there may be a few more hoops to jump through, but the rewards are well worth it. The off-season brings with it the chance to explore without the crowds, to find those hidden gems, and to truly connect with the great outdoors. So, embrace the challenges, prepare accordingly, and set off on an off-season adventure that's sure to be memorable. Now that we've covered the benefits and challenges, let's talk about some tips for successful off-season RV travel. First and foremost, research is key. You might be venturing into territories less traveled during off-seasons, so it's crucial to do your homework. Look up the best routes, check road conditions, and familiarize yourself with the local weather patterns. It's always good to know what you're heading into, and there's no such thing as too much information when it comes to your safety and comfort. Secondly, prepare for all types of weather. Off-season travel can throw a few curveballs your way, and the weather is often the pitcher. Pack clothing for all climates, and consider investing in a weather app or a weather radio. This way, you're not only prepared for what Mother Nature might throw at you, but you're also one step ahead. Now let's talk discounts. Off-season often means lower prices, and who doesn't love a good deal? Whether it's campgrounds, attractions, or local restaurants, many places offer off-season discounts that can make your RV travel experience even more rewarding. So, don't hesitate to ask about any available off-season specials or deals. Flexibility is another crucial factor. Traveling off-season may mean adjusting your plans due to unexpected weather or campground closures. Having a plan B and even a plan C can save you a lot of stress. Remember, it's all part of the adventure, and sometimes the best memories are made when things don't go exactly as planned. And that leads us to our last tip, maintaining a positive attitude. One of the best things about off-season RV travel is its unpredictability. Yes, it can be a bit challenging at times, but it also brings unique opportunities that you might not get during the peak season. Embrace the unexpected and remember to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. Speaking of enjoyment, don't forget to take full advantage of the off-season perks. With fewer crowds, you get the chance to enjoy popular spots in a more relaxed and intimate setting. Plus, you can take your time to explore and soak in the beauty around you without feeling rushed. Also, consider connecting with the local community. Off-season is a great time to experience the local culture in a more authentic way. Participate in local events, try out local cuisine, and engage with the locals. You'd be surprised at the unique insights and experiences you can gain from these interactions. Lastly, always keep safety first. Off-season travel can present unique challenges, but nothing that can't be handled with a little preparation and common sense. Always let someone know about your travel plans. Keep emergency numbers on hand and ensure your RV is in top-notch condition before hitting the road. With these tips in hand, you're well prepared for your off-season RV adventure. Wondering what kind of experiences you can have during off-season RV travel? Well, let's dive into a world where the leaves crunch beneath your feet, where the snowflakes kiss your cheeks, where the world's most popular destinations are yours and yours alone. Off-season RV travel is a treasure trove of unique experiences waiting to be discovered. Picture this: you're nestled in your cozy RV, a steaming mug of hot cocoa in hand, as you gaze out of the window at a landscape painted with the colors of fall. The foliage is a riot of reds, oranges, and yellows, a fiery spectacle that transforms the world into a living canvas. You step outside, the crisp air invigorating your senses, and you're off on a leisurely hike, the leaves crunching underfoot, the world ablaze with autumnal glory. This is the magic of off-season RV travel. But fall isn't the only time for off-season adventures. Imagine the thrill of winter RV travel. The world outside is a winter wonderland, blanketed in pristine white snow. You're in the heart of it all, snug and warm in your RV. The day ahead is filled with winter sports, perhaps a little skiing, a touch of ice fishing, or even a snowball fight or two. And at night, you retreat to your RV, a haven of warmth in the heart of the cold, and watch as the snowflakes gently fall, a serene and soothing sight. And let's not forget the charm of visiting popular destinations during the off-season. Imagine strolling through the streets of a usually bustling city, now quiet and serene. The landmarks that are typically swarmed with tourists are now yours to explore at your leisure. You can take your time, soaking in the sights, the sounds, the culture, all without the hassle of jostling crowds or long lines. It's a unique experience that allows you to connect with the destination on a deeper level, to truly immerse yourself in its charm and character. These are just a few examples of the unique experiences that off-season RV travel can offer. Each journey is a story waiting to be told, a memory waiting to be made, an adventure waiting to be lived. So, whether it's marveling at the fall foliage, indulging in winter sports, or exploring popular destinations without the crowds, off-season RV travel is your ticket to experiences that are out of the ordinary. It's about seeing the world through a different lens, about discovering the magic that lies in the offbeat and the overlooked, about creating memories that last a lifetime. As you can see, off-season RV travel can offer some truly unforgettable experiences. It's about embracing the road less traveled, about finding joy in the journey, about making the most of each moment. So go ahead, give off-season RV travel a try. Who knows, you might just find that it's your favorite way to explore the world. There's something magical about off-season RV travel that can't be replicated in any other form of vacationing. It's the unique blend of adventure exploration, and unpredictability that makes it so special, and we've covered some of the key points that make it such an enticing option for many. So, as we wrap up our discussion on the magic of off-season RV travel, we encourage you to embrace the unpredictability, the challenges, and the sheer joy of exploring the world in your RV during the off-season. It's about more than just saving money or avoiding crowds. It's about the thrill of the unknown, the delight in discovery, and the satisfaction of knowing you've experienced something truly special. Remember, with off-season RV travel, you can have big experiences at a fraction of the cost. So why not give it a try?